Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can switch to your TikTok business account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. What you need to do first of all is open TikTok on your phone. Then you should see the profile icon. Go ahead and tap on profile and you can see the three lines on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on the three lines and you can see settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Then you should go to account. Go ahead and tap on account and you can see the switch to business account. Go ahead and tap on switch to business account. Wait for a while and tap on next. Go ahead and tap on next and finish this. So you can see you should choose a category for your business account. Go ahead and choose a business account of your choice and some of the content which you'll be posting. After that, just go ahead and tap on next. Wait for a while and you can see you can add an email or you can just go ahead and tap on skip and you can see that you are all set. You can go to the business suite. You can see your analytics, growth center, creative hub, the message center, and if you need some help, you can access that as well. So now you have switched to the TikTok business account. You can start the monetization process after you fulfill and then you can easily start earning the money. So guys, I hope this video about how you can switch to a TikTok business account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.